welcome to the first episode of 2022. I am Anna, your host for Tasty Thursdays, and this is how we grow the solution at NatureCures.
All these lovely herbs were started from our forest gardens out on our front lawn by Anna in late September. She cloned and propagated our plants and started them in our greenhouse. And around late November, it got cold out and the plants came indoors, and now we're propagating indoors and caring for the plants.
So if people wanted to learn about caring for plants and propagating like this, where can they go?
Contact us on naturecures.ca and fill in our contact page.
Our tower garden's full of arugulas, spinach, and kales, while our microgreen rack is in production with these beautiful speckled pea shoot microgreens growing that we use to top off our lovely meals and salads. Here we are harvesting our second crop of these pea shoots off of this tray.
They taste like peas.
Now here we are, we have our sprouted ancient grain sprouts. These lovely sprouts are great topping and garnish on top of our crackers, mixed with our herbs and some avocado to make some beautiful guacamole sweetened with a bit of maple syrup. And topped with our mixed herb blend from our garden. Here's Anna putting them together on the cracker to make a lovely quick snack. Good. You can top them with some pea shoots as well.
Now that we're nourished, it's time to go feed our special pets. I'm clipping some of our salad greens here for our new bunnies.
What you doing?
I'm feeding Phoenix
What are you feeding him?
the best greens that any rabbit could ever eat. Look at the perfection of
Why are they so good?
They were made here at the NatureCures Natural Health Center, where we grow the most medicinal foods and herbs, not only for humans but for our pets, because these guys help our gardens.
Who's this? Is
This
she a
is
star?
Phoenix, and we have Zenny down here. Zenny, come say hi. Hi, Zenny. I brought you some special greens. Zenny's a little more shy.
Oh, hi Zenny.
Celery. Oh, you really like that
I
one.
like the celery.
You
That's
like
pink
the
celery.
Pink celery. Rabbits are a really great pet for children and families who would want to introduce their child to a pet, and how important it is to be calm and relaxed around an animal. They get scared easily, and it takes them a long time to build trust. Yeah, Phoenix, come. Phoenix. If you are interested in a unique experience in Kawartha Lakes, come visit us at NatureCures. We will teach you how to propagate plants, gardening tips, and you can feed our pet bunnies. Thank you for watching our Tasty Thursday episode. I hope we've inspired you to be part of growing the solution as well.